What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be bringing you on my first European track day of 2024. It's going to be at Monteblanco in the south of Spain. It's a track I've not personally been to before, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I'm currently sat in my car, lighting myself up using my phone torch because it's still very early in the morning. It's pitch black outside, so I'm going to try and get to the track early doors, get myself set up so that when all the riders arrive for sign on, my whole setup's ready to go and I can get some people signed on for photos for the event. So yeah, let's hit the road. Okay, so I've been here for a few hours now, all set up. The track day is meant to be running right now, but as you can tell, there's no bike noises going on in the background. That is because we've just had a pretty heavy downpour. But how cool is this pit lane building? It is the smartest looking pit lane I think I've ever been to. So yeah, today is more about just learning the track and sort of getting my eye in, because obviously today's wet and people aren't really going to go out or push today, especially when the next 3 days are going to be sunny and good weather. So yeah, bit of a slow burner day today, but plenty of time to still get photos hopefully and do some research on the track. So I managed to get out with the camera. I managed to do a couple of hours in the morning, and this is the first hour after dinner, and we've just had a second thunderstorm for the day. We had one during the lunch break, we've just had one now. I'm rather drenched from it, but I got a couple of cool photos which should hopefully flash up on the screen now. But yeah, it's been one of them days, but I've actually had a really good day. I've enjoyed it, I've learned a lot. I've tried some video out, which has been pretty cool. So yeah, really good feeling going into tomorrow. I think I'm probably going to be done shooting for today now. I can't imagine many riders are going to want to go out. So yeah, that'll be me done for today pretty much, and let's see what tomorrow brings. So welcome back. We are here at Monteblanco for day 2. It's much better weather today. We're going to have clouds and sun all day. It's going to be a bit warmer and no rain today, which is good. So hopefully today we'll get a lot more track action and I'll be able to put the GoPro on the camera at some point and show you some trackside footage, as well as hopefully some footage from the actual camera itself, showing some better detail of the bikes. But I just thought I'd show you this little setup that I've got going on. Got the computer there, the chair where I'll be working at from there. I've got my brand new business cards here, which look pretty cool. Really happy at them. And also we have the new edition for this year, which is the banner. We have a whole new Joel photography banner, which is pretty cool. So yeah, hopefully today will be a good day. Hopefully get lots of photos, and hopefully we'll be able to put the GoPro on the camera again for the first time in 2024. So hopefully I will see you trackside. So we're into the afternoon now. The morning went really well. Got some pretty cool shots again. Hopefully they'll be flipping up on the screen as and when. Some cool places that I went to. Did the chicane, did the inside of the straight in towards turn 6, I think it is, as well as a couple of the inside of faster corners. I think there was one more spot as well, but my mind's gone blank. Lots of spots shot at so far, lots of cool shots got. Like I say, we're into the afternoon now, so plenty more still to come. And yeah, let's really just see what this one brings. So the time is just about 10 o'clock at night. I've been organising and editing for the past 4 hours and I've still got quite a bit to do. I've got 2 of the groups all organised. I'm on to the last group now, and then I've got to edit a photo shoot that I did at the end of today. And then I've got to go through all the videos and organise them as well. So still a fair way to go. Been on the go now, working wise, 12 hours pretty much non-stop. So I'm starting to feel it, but it's all part of it. It's what I've waited all winter for, right? But yeah, I don't know what time I'll finish. I'm hoping to be done before midnight, so I can at least get 6 hours sleep before I'm up again, ready for tomorrow. But yeah, we'll see. Anything that's not done before 1 in the morning, I'm gonna say nope, I'll just do that tomorrow. So at least I get a few hours of sleep that way then. But yeah, that's a bit of behind the scenes of outside the track. So it is now day 3 of 4 at the Andalusia track day. I managed to get everything sorted last night and organised, and I think I went to bed around midnight midnight by the time I had a shower and all that, so wasn't too early, but also could have been a bit later, so it wasn't a disaster. Got a feeling today will be pretty similar, if not maybe even slightly later. But yeah, I'm gonna head to the track now and start coming up with my plan of action for today. And hopefully I'll be able to put the GoPro on the camera today. I thought that the GoPro mount was actually in my camera bag. Turns out it wasn't, so I'm gonna check the computer bag before I go trackside today, just to make sure I've got it. If not, I've got a clip that I'll just attach it to the side of the Armco barriers with. Or I'll just keep using the tripod like I did yesterday, which hopefully will be some pretty cool shots. But yeah, I'm going to hit the road now and get to the track. So we're back in the apartment and the time has just gone 9:15 at night. I've finally got all of today's photos organised into their groups. So it's like middle, upper and upper 2. So they're all done now. Now it's just the job of putting everyone's individual photos into their individual albums. It's been a long few days and I'm starting to feel it a bit now, but one last push. Again, same as last night, I'm hoping to be done by midnight, but 1 o'clock in the morning is going to be my cut-off. But yeah, that's the goal for today. Well, tonight is to get at least 2 of the groups fully organised, and if I've got to get up early in the morning to get the other one done, then so be it. But I've got another pit lane shoot to edit and organise, and with that we did a group photo similar to yesterday's and some individual shots which hopefully will be flashing up on the screen as and when sort of thing. But yeah, the storage is starting to become a bit of an issue, so thankfully I've got my hard drive with me. But yeah, that's basically a rundown of today. It's been really busy. We had to end the day early today, but yeah, ironically I finished shooting later than what I did yesterday. Explain that if you can. But yeah, that's basically day 3 done once I finish organising the photos, and on to day 4 tomorrow, where the plan is hopefully to start selling the photos. I might pop out for 1 or 2 sessions in the morning and sell in the afternoon, but it really just depends on how I feel in the morning and if I'm happy with the amount of photos that everyone's got so far, and obviously to fill in any gaps if needs be. But yeah, I'm going to sign off for tonight and I'll see you all in the morning for day 4. Hola, buenos dias and welcome to day 4 of the Monteblanco Trackday. Yesterday was pretty cool, pretty awesome, got lots of cool shots. Managed to get everything edited and organised apart from the pit lane shoot that we did in the evening. That is job number 1 for today, and then job number 2 is to sort the videos out of the clients and make their little reels with the slow-mo stuff, and that's what I'm going to do first job for today, which I think I've just said, but I can't remember. It's been a long few days. But yeah, this is actually the second time I've recorded this intro, as the first time I was doing it the GoPro had battery but decided to say it was going to die of no battery anyway, so whether I can get any of the footage from that I don't know. But yeah, that's basically today's plan, as well as hopefully selling the photos to the clients and making sure that everyone's happy with what I've caught of them. So yes, let's go do that.